Hi, welcome to DC English. In today's video, I'm going to explain a very important topic. Future. Everybody knows future tense. I will go, I will play. No, in this video, I will explain what is future. At what time the future starts. In how many ways we can describe future. All in detail, with examples, of course. But before that, don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to keep in touch. So, let's go. What is future? How can we describe future tense? Future doesn't mean that you have to put the word tomorrow. No. Expected action in coming time. Maybe after a second, it is called future. For example, I'll see you in the evening, it is future. I'll call you later, it is future. I will give you my card today, it is future. Even there is today, but it is future because the action hasn't happened yet. So, future simple shows rapid action. Without planning, yeah, I'll call you back. I'll talk to you soon. Maybe I will see you tonight. Future simple is usually used for rapid action, rapid decision, quick decision. The second one I want to explain is that going to plus verb. It also shows future, but it is called planned future. Planned future. Not directly, not rapidly taken action, no. For example, I'm going to study in the UK. I'm going to buy a car next month. They are going to buy a home in the UK. Something you have to plan for. We use going to plus base form of the verb. And there are many examples. I'm going to visit you next week. I'm going to travel to Paris next month, and so on. Number 3, present continuous tense leads to future. How is it possible? I'm going to Dubai tomorrow. Actually, it looks present continuous tense, and it is. But it shows, it leads to future. So here, present continuous tense plays the role, the function of future. We are playing football match tomorrow evening. It is future. They are traveling to UK tomorrow. It is future. I'm watching a movie with my friends tonight. It is future. Present continuous tense can be used for future as well. Number 4, fixed future. Fixed future. We know planned, we know going to, we know present continuous tense. But fixed future? Yes. Fixed future means usually it will not change. For example, it will be Friday tomorrow. So, tomorrow will be a Friday in all cases. It is fixed. If you are sick, if you are in hospital, if you are sleeping, tomorrow will be Friday. It is called fixed future. For example, Easter will be in March. So, anything will happen, doesn't matter. But Easter will come in March. This is fixed future. No one can change it or remove it or stop it. So in this video, I have explained 4 types of future related sentences, future related ways that how can we describe future in 4 different ways in English language. Don't focus yourself only in will go, will play, will write, will do. No. You can use anyone you want accordingly. So, if you want to be professional, you want to speak English well, you want to be perfect in English grammar, you must know that future can be in different ways. You can just convey the message that you want to convey. In this video, I have explained about future. The main target, don't focus yourself to go line after line. Come on. English language is very fast and open. Play with it, but don't break the rules. See you in the next video with more interesting topics, of course. Before that, I want to say bye. Don't forget to subscribe the YouTube channel and enjoy watching it.